new project started up, the first thing we're going to do is to add in a table view controller. So look for a table view controller in your object library and drag this onto your storyboard. Okay, we want to make this the first item, so we can drag this arrow across and this will make it the initial view controller. Then we can select the other view controller and remove it. Okay, we also want to get rid of viewcontroller.swift because that was linked to that file as well. So we'll delete that one and we'll move it to the trash. Okay, now I just have my one view controller. Okay, we want to embed this inside a navigation controller. So you should have seen how to do this in the previous tutorials. Select the top item, editor, embed in a navigation controller. Okay, now our navigation controller is the initial and we've got a table view. The next thing we need to do is to make sure that this table view controller has a place to add the code. Okay, so if I go to File, New, File, I want a Cocoa Touch class. This is going to be Table View Controller, and make sure it's a subclass of the same. UI Table View Controller. Make sure the language is Swift, and then Next. Make sure it's inside your project. Okay, so now I have my file. Go back to my storyboard. Select my view controller, and I want to make sure that this is linked to that file that I've just created. So from here I can select my table view controller. So now if I was to go to my preview assistant editor, I should be able to see my table view controller, which will allow me to create outlets and all those things we need to do to make it work. So that's your first step, is to get your table view controller up and running.